Hello everyone, good morning, and we just arrived here in at Lamma Island, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna hike this island. This will be my first time hiking here, but I've been here a few times already. So what's gonna happen is we're just gonna go around the island, come back here, and I think that's it. So we took the ferry from Central, 10 a.m. Ferry, and now we're here. The travel time is just around 30 minutes. So if you want to go to the toilet, there's a toilet at the ferry, and you should be fine if ever you wanna do so. Ayo. So look, going to the place where we are going to hike. Look, there are some things that are for sale, so you can just get those from there and pay here. So this is like an honest store. Wow, it's really cool. Look, if you buy that, if you want those, you can just pay there. Cool.
Ano kayang kulay yung maganda? Ito. Ayan po, oh. I'm paying you $20. Thank you. I'm going to get this color. Lucky, red color. Thank you.
So we're going to the left, not there, but here. Here, that's where the power plant is. So we're just gonna go straight because we're going there, and we were there earlier. So we're gonna go there. If you're gonna turn left, we're gonna go to Lamma Wind, and we're just gonna go straight. Bike not allowed. I don't know what that means, but here, look at that. Bikes not allowed, but there are still bikes parking in front of the sign. No, we're at the beach. I can hear the waves. Yeah, so guys, since because of the pandemic, the beaches here are also closed. So it's been like this for more than a month now. As you can see, very nice view. Very nice view. They also have a barbecue area here, which looks very nice. So guys, there's a road diversion here. And not really a diversion, but we just took the more difficult path, or once we say shortcut, it means it will be a difficult climb, but I don't think it's that difficult. It should be easy. I don't know, but it should not be that tough. So the goal is just to reach to the peak, and we're just taking it nice and easy. Three hours lang naman pala.
Parating na kami!
Oh, nandun na sila. They're already there. We're still here taking photos at this spot, and the plan is we're gonna go all the way up there, maybe to that hill, and there. As you can see, the windmill is on that side. Yeah. That's where we took some photos earlier, around that side. So we climbed up. We were there taking photos earlier, so we climbed up there on this mountain, beside this mountain, and then we're here. So we're just following the trail. We don't know where this is going, but it's fine. We wanted to have a longer hike, but we seemed like past the wrong way. I mean, there's no wrong way because there's no really there's not really a plan. We just wanna hike around this island. Oh, and look what we found here. Berries. Ooh, nice. So while on this trail, our left side is the beach, and on our right, that's the Hong Kong side. So because of we're taking a lot of pictures, some of our friends are already there.
We're going to hike.
Oh, sige. Lamma wins. So we're going there.
Gulay! Alalahanin mo, amigay siya bukang nga alas 2 lang. Hindi naman mawawalan ng lakas ko nito.
So we were there earlier and here.
Ginagawa, pag walang tennis. Talaga, ito pala ginusto mo, walang hiya ka. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda. Ayun yung pinanggalingan natin, ayun sa baba, ah.
So we were there. We hiked up to that small hill, and up there, and up there, and now we're here, going to this to another hill. got lesser people that comes here because it's not a very popular beach. Okay, so that's it for the hike here in Lamma. So we're going back to Hong Kong Island, but we're gonna pass at Aberdeen. So we're gonna take this boat or ferry going back to Hong Kong Island.